So this simple website right here is generating $150,000 every single month. And I'm going to show you how I rebuilt this without writing a single line of code and using AI. What's even more impressive is you can build this with only 2 AI tools. So it's a simple concept. You upload your photos, AI generates a model of you, and then you can give it a prompt and create photos of you in different scenarios and situations. What not a lot of people realize is there's already an API out there that you can do this with. So to do this, I'm going to use Replit Agent 3 to build the code and Replicate's AI API to generate the images. So let's jump in. I'm going to give Replit a single prompt, create a one-page app that allows users to upload photos of themselves. The app then generates an AI model using an external API. Users can provide prompts to generate different pictures of themselves in various settings. So let's give it that. And this is what it's come back with. I like it. It's quite simple. We can then upload photos of me. Nice. Trigger word. Start training a model. There we go. So now we can create photos of ourselves. These are just dummy photos at the moment. There we go. We've got 2 photos. We can expand, download. It's even got multi-select here. So we can download multiple at the same time. Load more images. List of predefined prompts. So that's a pretty good start for one prompt and literally 20 minutes of work while I went and ate my dinner. But we don't have the AI engine set up, which is going to create the lifelike images that we want. Okay, so to train the AI models, we're going to use Replicate's AI API. So what you're going to need is a Hugging Face account and a Replicate account. We're going to go over to Hugging Face and create new model. Sean, and I'll just date it as well, 02/10/25 license, and we want to make that private. Create the model. Copy this model, and then we go over to Replicate, and I'll leave this URL in the description as well. So you want to type in your model in the destination, private. So for the input images, we need to upload a zip of images. Basically, you can see I've got about 10 or 20 images of myself. The more images, the better. View in different locations, lighting, scenarios. Create a zip of that folder and upload it. The trigger word is what we're going to use in our prompts. So in our prompts, we'll say Sean in a spacesuit or Sean at Paris Fashion Week or something along those lines. We want to increase the steps to 2000 and we need a HF repo ID. So that's what we saw here. And a Hugging Face token. So if you go into Hugging Face, create a new token, Sean 02/10/25. Give it access to everything. Copy that token over. And then we can create the training. This will take a little while to generate. Once we have that generated, we can use this other model. And then in HFLorry, we want to put the model repo ID. If we run that, we should get an image of me in space. Look at that. Let's download that. Each of these images cost a couple of cents to create. Now, putting that all together using the API, we've got our front end, our back end Replicate API, generating images. So let's see how it works. So add my images, add a trigger word, start training. So let's create some professional headshots, update our LinkedIn, and there we go. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to recreate this site with AI. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe, and we'll create more just like this.